to this video is another reaction video, and this time it's a collaboration reaction with our founders, Bisaya YouTubers Club, no other than Margrette Chavez.
Margrette Antinahon Chavez.
Oh, Margrette Antinahon Chavez. Hi, Marge. Thank you so much for gracing my invitation.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. By the way, my name is Margrette, and yes, I'm the founder of the YouTubers Club. Please feel free to join us if you need support with subscribers and watch hours as well. And I would like to thank as well Medyo Boi for inviting me this afternoon.
It's my pleasure. And can you also invite our friends to subscribe to your channels?
Yes, please, everyone. I currently have 3,000 subscribers. Margrette. My name is Margrette. It's the same screen name here in the call, Margrette. Thank you, guys.
3,000. Wow, good job. Ako mag-going 2,000 pala. Anyhow, we'll get to that point.
Let's grow together, charing.
Exactly. All right, so we're going to do a reaction video of Alip Taba. It's an Indonesian YouTuber. He do a lot of mga guitar
Song
song covers, guitar cover, of fingerstyle cover. So, and nasikat siya, ni popular siya, 2 million subscriber as
yes, grabe, 2 million.
Exactly. Because yung weight na mo, mag-fingerstyle siya sa kanang pag-play sa guitar mo na nakatudani na siya. Alright, so ako actually po excited ko ani, wala dyan ko mag-search o mag-nanaw sa yung mga video because I want to make it kanangin. Yeah, exactly. And then, mafili mo ang kanindot sa song kung first time na mo siya kung sa imong balik-balikan. Alright, so
nakadungog ko ani actually ni Watarosi kay namurag nagka-collab na sila.
Actually, nagkikitaan ako sa Watarosi earlier. Yes, ang iyang mga video are kana siyang videos na i-background niya or ang audio or instrumental from Alip Taba.
Dili gud dilahang kanang
just ang duha. So murag iyang i-back iyang ang pikas window is katong instrumental and siya sa pikas window. Because Indonesian man kuno siya. I don't know kung sa'yo nasulatan ni Wataros. Filipino na siya.
Bisaya na si Watarosi. Yeah, nana sa States ron. Shout out Watarosi.
Hello Watarosi. Alright, so I'm gonna share the screen now. Then let me know if makita niyo. Makita ra? Alright. Okay, so let's so we're going to react to Alip Taba Fingerstyle Toni Braxton nga Unbreak My Heart. Dili man ta mga kana siya mga broken-hearted, but I guess the melody and the song itself is so nice. So let's start to listen. Let's get started. Sorry, come on, no. Exactly. Halimbawa ako ba hipo? Nice guy, you know?
Grabe.
Grabe, exactly. So, yeah, there you have it. Yung music, what can you say aside from katong mga nastorya ni mo earlier?
Ano siya, bugnaw siya paminaw. And yes, it's soothing. And if na siya tukaran ato in person, I think maibog jud niya.
Ma-fall in love jud, no?
So, yes. So, no wonder 2 million iyang followers may kay siya musista.
Exactly.
So we may have fellow musicians here in Cebu that play similar sa iya pero lahi ra jud ang iyang quality of music. So really worth the followers.
Exactly. Like I came across with his channel, not really his channel, but videos ako po mga friends nga na YouTube lang kana siyang nag-reaction video po. Ang reaction niya is katong kang sa Titanic bitaw nga same song. My heart will go on, ba na?
My heart will go on.
As in, nice to ka siya. So, matipong, mag-reaction video po ko ano niya, ba mato. Wala ko magtanaw siya mga so, kanina mato namili ko sa mga song. And indeed, pag first ka to, actually, wala na ako siya pamati adjud ka ganina. Kaya gusto na ako nga, akong reaction is first-hand jud. Nalimbaw, ito akong balibo ganina.
Diba ka na ako ganahan mo ang reaction video Medyo Boi?
Kinsa man?
Blackpink.
Di ba ako makarelate sa ilang mga music kasi
ako di ko ka-relate. Ako manghud mo ganahan na niya pero I've heard daw na bati daw not really satisfying ilang latest. So I'm curious. I think we can make another reaction video after this.
Sige, magplano tayo. Ang kanang latest lang na video, no? Okay, we'll do a Blackpink reaction video. Anyhow, let's continue sa katong conversation like ang iyang Toni Braxton nga music is like nice good nga pagka-play, no? As what you said earlier nga na siya different style sa iyang pag flat may tawag ana pag sa
pag-pluck niya sa strings niya. Kuan po, although iyang sista kay murag acoustic ra siya, pero madunggan ni mo na murag na siya laing accompaniment gani pero wa de ito.
Ordinary na kayo yung sista, di ba? Ordinary yung guitar at siya.
Pero nindot kay siya, uy, multitasking po siya kay dili lang kanang sige, tawag ka strum man guro na. Dili lang pag strum ang iyang right hand. Pero sige po siya ka ng perform sa pikas ka mo. Lupig pa yung piano.
Na siya sikat siya kay siyang fingerstyle na pag-guitar. Sa siyang guitar cover. Alright, and we'll do hopefully next week we'll do another reaction video for Blackpink.
Next week. Katangan na to ang di ta manaway pero aon lang na to ang quality sa Blackpink. How you like that?
Alright. Anyhow, March, thank you so much again for gracing. And before I let you go, please invite our friends again to subscribe to your YouTube channel and invite sa yung mga social media accounts.
Hello everyone, once again to all the followers of Medyo Boi, please do subscribe to Margrette in YouTube, and I am Margrette Vlogs in Facebook and also in Instagram. So see you guys there. I vlog usually about beauty, nature, and since we can travel, pendings and ang travel, guys.
Okay.
So anything we can do at home. Thank you so much. I hope you guys, God bless mo. Take care. Hope to see you after quarantine.
Thank you so much for gracing again my event. Thank you. Bye for now, Marsh. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Again, this is your friend Medyo Boi. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to leave comment, please comment below. Thank you so much for your time. Bye for now.